और मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, हम नेक्स्ट जनरेशन जीएसटी रिफॉर्म्स लेकर के आ रहे हैं। ये दिवाली के अंदर आपके लिए तोहफा बन जाएंगे। सामान्य मानवीय की जरूरतों के टैक्स भारी मात्रा में कम कर दिए जाएंगे।
Days after PM Modi announced the need for next generation GST reforms, the GST Council delivered a major shake-up. They have scrapped the 12% and 28% GST slabs and introduced a new simplified structure that aims to bring relief to the common man. But what exactly is changing? What gets cheaper and what is getting more expensive? Well, let's break it all down. The 56th GST Council meeting, which lasted for a marathon 10.5 hours, resulted in one of the most significant GST reforms ever. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced that the Council has abolished the 12% and 28% GST slabs. In their place, a new 3-tier system has been introduced. A 5% rate for essential goods, an 18% standard rate for most items, and a 40% special slab for sin and luxury goods. These changes will officially come into effect on September 22, 2025. Now let's talk about what is getting more affordable, and there's a lot. Under the new 5% GST slab, a range of everyday and essential items will now cost less. This includes hair oil, shampoo, soap bars, toothpaste, toothbrushes, bicycles and kitchenware. Common household food items like namkeens, bhujia, dry fruits, sugar syrups, chocolates and biscuits will also attract just 5% GST, down from earlier rates of 12% to 18%. Milk and dairy products also see big relief. UHT milk will now be tax-free, while condensed milk, ghee, butter, paneer and cheese will attract only 5% GST. Meat products, fish sausages and packaged food with malt extracts are all now in the 5% slab too. Healthcare and education also benefit. Life-saving drugs and medical products will now attract either 5% or 0 GST. Education services and supplies will also come under the 5% or nil category. Other big winners include the textile and footwear industries, with GST reduced to 5%. Renewable energy devices, sports goods, toys, leather items, handicrafts, and even wooden products have all been brought down to the 5% GST rate. Select electrical appliances, including air conditioners and dishwashing machines, now attract 18% GST instead of the earlier 28%. And here's great news for automobile buyers. Small petrol, diesel, CNG and LPG cars within specific engine and size limits will now attract just 18% GST, which is significantly lower than the previous 28%. However, not everything is going down in price. A new 40% GST slab has also been introduced specifically for sin and luxury goods. This includes cigarettes, pan masala, gutka, chewing tobacco, zarda and other tobacco-related products. Also in this category are sugary beverages, carbonated drinks, caffeinated soft drinks and aerated fruit juices with added sugar or sweeteners. Coal, which earlier attracted just 5% GST, will now be taxed at 18%. Similarly, TV sets, which used to fall in the higher 28% bracket, will now attract 18%. But if you are into premium vehicles, be prepared to pay more. Big bikes over 350cc and luxury cars will now fall into the 40% slab. Now, while these hikes aim to discourage unhealthy consumption and curb environmental damage, they also serve to balance the revenue losses expected from reducing GST on essential goods. Meanwhile, PM Modi called this decision a step towards bringing ease of living for India's common man. Now, this massive GST reform takes effect on September 22, 2025. So, are you happy with these changes? Will this new GST structure actually help your monthly budget or not? Do let us know in the comment section and stay tuned with India TV.